together. My dear students, in this video we are going to discuss mathematical functions. So mathematical functions, we can also say it is predefined function. In the previous video we have seen. So mathematical functions are very important, my dear students. Definitely output will ask. So we have to see all the functions thoroughly, and return type is very important. What is the return type of the function? So I am going to discuss one by one, and we will discuss thoroughly all the things, all the points. Okay? So I am going to start, my dear students. The first and very important function. First of all the mathematical functions are present in math class. In Java, class name is always capital, and of course if there is a class, then there is a package, and the package is lang package, and it is the default package of the Java. Clear? By default it is included, if you will write or not. So simply all the mathematical functions are present in a math class, and math class is present in the lang package, which is the default package of Java. Clear? Now first function is math.sqrt. What is the use of sqrt? Simply it is used to obtain a square root of any given number. Okay? First of all, it is used to give a square root of any given number. Clear? Return type of this function is double only. Okay, return type is double, and syntax is math.sqrt 4.0. Okay, if it is 4, and this function will give the result 2.0, because return type is double. Return type means which kind of value will return after the execution of the function. Clear? So which type of value is returned here? It is double. Clear? So we have to write, we can write here DOUBLE double B is equal to math.sqrt 6.25, and it will give the value of B 2.5. Okay, always in point. If decimal is not there, we have to write 0.0. If you will not write 0.0, though your answer is correct, like 2 you have written here, it is correct, but you will get 0 marks, because return type of math.sqrt is always double. So it will return always 2.0, never 2. Clear? So if you will not write 2.0, your marks will cut. So take care of this point. Clear? Now for negative numbers, it is not applicable. Double B1 is equal to math.sqrt minus 6.25. It will give the result NaN, because this is very important point. For the negative value, square root is not applicable. Clear? I hope it is clear. See once again what we have done. Simply sqrt will give you the square root of any number, and square root of return type of return type of sqrt is double all the time. So it will return the value in double, never integer. If you will not write 0.0, your marks will deduct. So please take care. And with a minus value, it is not applicable, so it will give the return type and it will give the value NaN, because for it may be asked in output question, what will the output? So to see this negative value, we have to write that with the negative value, mathematical function SURT is not applicable. Clear? Second and very important function is math dot power function. Actually it is power, we are writing POW only. Okay? Math dot power syntax is math dot power A comma B, means A to the power B. So math dot power will always give you power of any given number. Power of any given number. Always it will be written in the form of A comma B. A comma B. In that A is the number and B is the power. A is the number and B is the power. And return type is always double here. Return type is always double here. Students, most of the functions are having return type double. Okay? So you have to learn which is not double and rest all are double. Clear? So if I will write double B is equal to math dot power 2 comma 2. So what you will say? It is 4 or 4.0. Of course it is 4.0 because return type is double. If we will write 4, it is wrong. Clear? So once again, math dot power is used to give a power. Return type is double, in which the number first number is a number, second number is a power. If I will write 2 comma 3, that means what? Double B1 is equal to math dot power 2 comma 3. So what I told you, that first is the number, so write the number, second is the power, raise the power. Now it is 2 to the power 3. So what will the answer be, my dear students? 8 or 8.0? Of course it is 8.0. Very good. So answer is 8.0 because of double. So this double is very important. If you will write 8, again you will get 0. So return type we have to think. And my dear students, most of the functions are having return type double. Okay? So keep this in mind. Now math dot round. It is clear by the name round, but it will give you the function output in integer. This I have circled because I have to tell one more thing about this. That's why. Math dot round function, by the name it looks like a decimal value because round is here, but return type is integer, so never be confused. Clear? If I will write, actually it is used to round up the value. For example, if we are writing 43.23, okay, so So generally we are writing 43.2. If we are writing 23.25, we are writing 3. So if the number is 5 or greater than 5, then we are adding 1 to make it round figure. If the number is 5 or more than 5, then to give us rounded figure, we are just adding one number. If 6 is here and 6 is also here, so we are writing 7 because it is more than 5. So this is the concept